part is optional. I like to have a little bit of texture on the mask, but that might not be your thing. This part is optional. You definitely want to protect your work, but if you don't want a shiny mask, don't use lacquer like I'm doing. You'll want to use a matte finish, clear gloss of some sort. Well, what do you think? Not bad for about 12 bucks, huh? What do you think, Melody? You like this mask? Oh, I think she likes it. If you like the mask, please like the video. Peace.